Good yarn and yarnaphiles, and welcome to my channel. I'm really glad to have you here. We are going to be doing a whole bunch of content all about yarn, where to buy it, how to buy it, what types there is, the sizes, where to get it from, and of course, what to do with it. There's going to be a whole bunch of awesome tutorials and advanced techniques, new techniques, and patterns, and wonderful things to share with you. I'm Mrs. Yarnaphile, and I have been a knitter and crocheter yarn lover for over 25 years, and I'm here to share my experiences with you, and we're going to learn together. And my hope and my goal, my passion, is to get you to really open up your mind to all the things you can do with yarn and all the kind of yarns there are. Nothing wrong with that acrylic, that Red Heart Super Saver, but I'm going to teach you how to make wonderful things using wonderful fibers and how we can learn to support some local and small businesses and really have an amazing time wearing and making products that we can love and feel proud about and keep all around our house. My little mess right here, I got a baby, we got pillows, blankets, and all sorts of things you can make with your fibers. So stay tuned, y'all, and we're gonna have a lot of videos coming through. And remember, this is all for the love of yarn.